This is Outlook Lesson 2, the third lesson, using categories. On the Home tab, in the Tags group, click Categorize, which is right here, and then click All Categories. Click the green category text, and then click Rename. Hint, you can also press F2 to rename it. Type Projects and press Enter. This category has now been renamed. Click the orange category, click Rename, type Social, press Enter. Change the names of the categories as shown in the following. So this blue one, we're going to name that Tours. This purple one, we're going to rename that one R&D, Research and Development. Admin, red is Admin, and yellow is Network. Alrighty, mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now try creating a new category. Click New, type Personal, click the arrow for color and choose a color. I'm going to choose gold, Texas gold. Alright, click OK, and then deselect all categories, so we don't want anything selected. Click OK to exit the color categories window. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. In the list of messages, right-click the message you sent yourself about the budget for new proposal. Right here, right-click that, click Categorize, and then click R&D. Continue adding categories to the messages in your inbox. So let's see, budget for a new proposal. We'll say that's going to go in the project ones. You can put them whatever you want. Organizational chart, admin. That's the one we've already done. Spring brochure. There's an MTSS meeting in the Media Center, in case you don't hear that. Spring brochure, we'll say that's tours. Business cards, we're going to say that is personal. And anticipated arrival, let's say tours. All right. Click the by date column, which is right up here. Click that heading and click categories, and it's now sorted by any messages that do not have categories applicable will appear at the top. Those with categories are sorted in alphabetical order per the category name. If groups have been set up as part of the view, the group bar should show the name of the category as a quick reference. Click the by categories column heading bar right here. Click Date. They are now arranged by date. Look to the right of the By Date heading to see sort order, which should be newest. It says you're right there, newest on top. Click Newest, and that changes it to the oldest. Oldest on top. The messages are now sorted with the oldest message at the top. Click the oldest to change it back to the newest. And if you look at these dates, you can see that this is the newest, that's the oldest. Alright, mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now create folders to organize the inbox and your messages. In the navigation pane, right-click Inbox and click New Folder. So right over here where it says Inbox, I'm going to right-click that and click New Folder. In the name field, type New Proposals. Press enter. The new folder now exists below the inbox. Press Control Shift E. Control Shift E. And that creates another new folder. Type social events. And then click OK. You see there's your social events over there. From the list of messages, click one of the messages regarding the new proposal and drag and drop it into the new proposal folders. So this one right here, I'm going to drag and drop that into the new proposals. Click the new proposals folder. That shows you that message is there. Repeat step 4 for messages applicable to the new proposals budget. So this one is a new proposal. That's a new proposal. Create folders for other messages you have in the inbox. Let's see. I'm going to do organization, and I'm going to put this organizational chart there. Social events, I'm going to put the spring brochure in there. I'm going to new folder, personal stuff. I'm going to put the business cards in there. And anticipated arrival, I'm going to put in social events. Alright, let's mark that as answered and go to the next one. Click File. Click Tools. Click Mailbox Cleanup. Click Auto Archive. Click the arrow at the top left of the window to close the Backstage view. You should now have an Archives folder below your main folder. You see that right here. There's your Archives. And if you double click Archives, you'll view the contents of this folder, which right now there's nothing in there. So mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 5 green checks, so this completes using categories.